Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have administrator rights and the SSD is physically connected. Once done, open Settings System About so you can confirm Windows Edition and Bitness. That helps with drivers. Next, open Device Manager from the Start menu to inspect controllers. You do this now because Device Manager shows storage adapters and NVMe controllers, which reveals whether Windows recognizes the SSD hardware before you move into partitioning or health checks. Once Device Manager confirms the controller, open Disk Management Disk Mount. MSC to locate disks labeled Disk 0, Disk 1, and note size and unallocated space. That's where the SSD usually appears. Make sure to right-click a disk to initialize or assign a letter. If you need a definitive type, run PowerShell as admin and use getPhysicalDisk. It reports media type like SSD versus HDD. Also check Optimize Drives, defrag, to see if Windows lists the drive as solid state. To finish, initialize the SSD in Disk Management if prompted. Create a partition, format with NTFS or XFAT, and assign a drive letter so Windows can use it. Once formatted, verify trim and performance settings and run smart checks with PowerShell or the drive maker's utility to confirm health. If the SSD does not appear, reboot into BIOS to confirm the controller sees it. Also reset the drive, swap cables or ports, and update storage controller drivers. That one check fixes most detection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.